welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be talking about products I received from Take Me Away Essential. You guys, I've spoken about Take Me Away Essential so many times. They are my go-to facial care, body care, hair care. Take Me Away Essentials has got me covered. So I've done a lot of videos with them in previous times. I will link those videos in my description so you guys can head over to them and check them out. Of course, if you want natural plant-based products for your hair, for your skin, or for your face, you can go ahead and check them out. So in today's video I will be doing a unboxing. These products are new, and I'll say new for me. In my packaging you have, you know, information on the products you purchased. So I have a body oil and a body butter, and yes, I have tried their body butters before, but I have not tried all their body butters. The package does come secure. Everything is in place. I got the eucalyptus mint body butter, and I've never tried this one before, so we're gonna go ahead and open that. This is amazing. This smells so good. I just love the eucalyptus. You smell more of the eucalyptus and then that hint of mint. Like, it is so right. It's so, the blend is just right. When I use these on my body, it just leaves me feeling moisturized, soft, and so glowy. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, because this is not no joke. And like, you look at it, you can see how the moisture, all that moisture in there. And if you're new here, I did say that I've spoken about this brand before on my channel. Yes, I have. This smells so good. I can't get enough of this. Yes, I have. This is a black owned small business, and these are made in Canada, Jamaican born. You can order, they ship anywhere in the US, anywhere in Canada. They also have availability in Jamaica, so if you need them, their information is in the description, or you can drop me a line. I can let you know how you can get them. Also, you can order online. They're on Instagram. You can follow them. Just check them out. Their website will be in the description below, so check them out. I'm excited to try this. Oh my god, I'm really excited to try this. This smells great. Next, I have the body oil. Now you guys, the body oil is the very first time I'm trying the body oil, and the body oil also comes in all the flavors that the body butters are in. This one though, I believe, let me see what they sent me, you guys. Okay, so they sent me the body oil in the citrus body oil. I can smell it. Ooh, so rich. You can see that consistency. So rich. It is so inviting. I love it. It smells amazing. And what I like about these products is that they are true to the scent. So eucalyptus and mint, you get that. Citrus, you get that. My fave so far is the vanilla almond, but right now this eucalyptus and mint is speaking to me. I've also used the coconut lime. They're all good, but I'm telling you. So this smells great as well. I am just gonna go ahead and take the wrapper off, because what I want to do right now with you guys is I want to get comfy, and I just want to use these and just show you guys what they are like on the skin. So I just want to show you how I glow up with Take Me Away Essentials. So don't touch that dial. I will be right back. Stay right there. Do not move. Okay, you guys, so I just gotta get a little bit of comfy so I can show you a little bit of, you know, something. Now I'm not gonna show you a lot of something, just a little bit. So I wanted just to use the products and just to show you guys what it's like while using the products. And of course, first I'm gonna start off with my body oil and then my body butter. Starting off with the body oil, show you a little bit of skin, and I'm just gonna take, I'm not gonna use a lot since and I don't think you need a lot. You really don't need a lot. So let's just moisturize right there. So you guys, yes, honey. See all that moisture? And all that moisture, you guys. Woo! Smells so good. So good. So good. Can't get too much of that in my hair. But you guys, you can see the glow. You can see the radiance. It's so moisturizing, so soft. Oh, my skin. Somebody's gonna need to give me a full body massage later with these products, honey. You see how that just melt right in my skin? It smells amazing, and you can see the moisture on my hands. Very, very amazing. I am loving this. Ooh, it's my very, very first time trying the body oil, and it's amazing. I'm actually loving it. Absolutely loving it. So, and it's not too thick, it's not too light, it is just right, and it melts right into the skin. This is the citrus body oil, and I'm loving it. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I've never used the eucalyptus mint body butter, so I'm gonna be trying the eucalyptus mint body butter with you guys. So good. So you guys, that's the eucalyptus mint, and I'm just gonna be taking a little bit around the edge, not too much. So we're just doing a test, and I'm just gonna put it on my skin. So soft, so moisturizing. Look at that glow, you guys. Look at that, you guys. This is so good. This scent, this aroma, these two blend together, smell so good, you guys. My skin feels so soft. You see the difference? If you can see the difference from here to here, you can see the difference. Like, see how hydrated that is? You see that glow that you get? All that is good for your skin. See that? All that. You can see the difference from this shoulder to this one. See the difference? So you guys, Take Me Away Essentials. Their products are amazing. I've been using them for, my son is 3, for about 3 years. I've been using them since then. And this is my first time trying the body oil, and I'm absolutely in love with it. I am going to be basking in this along with my body butter. And I enjoy using these especially at nighttime because they just calm me down, and it's set just to give me a nice relaxing mood, and I can just relax through the night. It's also great, of course, you can use it morning and nighttime, but I especially love using the body butter at nighttime, and these combination works great together. I will be basking, and I will be loving these. So again, you guys, if you want to check them out, feel free to check them out. The information will be in my description, and I will leave all their information down there, all their links, all their website, Instagram, and so on, so you can head over and check them out. And if you have never checked out Take Me Away Essentials, check them out. Let me know what you like. If you're into plant-based products, natural products, check them out, you guys, and let me know. And if you have checked them out, what have been your experience? Again, they have hair products, facial products, and body products, so they'll hook you up. Okay, tell them Kelly sent you. And of course, I do have a coupon code. I will leave that in the description as well, so you guys can get some coins off. Yes, honey, your girl got ya. I got you. Get you some coins off while you get moisturized and stay hydrated and glowy for the wintertime. It's wintertime, and these will work great. I'm telling you. If you're where skin is concerned, for the body butter, for example, your feet, if you're having dry skin, dry feet, cracked, anything, they work great. They restore you. So they're not only moisturizing, they're restoring you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Take Me Away Essentials. The products are great. Again, you guys, I'll leave a promo code in the description for you. If it's your very first time here, thank you for watching, and do come back. So hit that subscribe button so you get that notification, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Share this video, thumbs up if you liked it, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.